Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all doing well. So as you read, the OneUi 8.5 update is finally on the line and soon we will receive it on our devices. Today in this video we will talk about the top changes that are coming up with this new OneUi 8.5 update. We will do a side-by-side comparison between the OneUi 8 and the OneUi 8.5. So on the right side I have the OneUi 8.5 with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and on the left side I have this Galaxy S24 Ultra with the OneUi 8 update. So starting off with the first comparison, if we talk about the animations, so there is no as such difference between the animations while opening and closing of the apps. Both the UIs are smooth enough. But if we go into the control panel, so there's a difference in that. If we tap upon the customize, so there are multiple customizable options available in the OneUi 8.5. And the animations while customizing are also very smooth, as you guys can clearly see in this video. There were no animations present in the OneUi 8 update, but now in the OneUi 8.5, there are a lot of animations and a lot of customizations available. You can customize it the way you like it. Furthermore, there is a customization also available in this slider, as you guys can clearly see. While there was no slider animation in the OneUi 8 update, neither in the brightness or in the volume. Both the volume and the brightness have this slider animation now. Furthermore, if you talk about the UI in different apps, so you can clearly see the difference between the UI in the different apps. For example, in the file manager, in the manage storage option, you can clearly see the difference. The OneUi 8.5 feels more modern, while the OneUi 8 feels a bit outdated now. In the settings, digital well-being, there is a difference, as you guys can notice. There is this new UI integration in multiple apps this time around, which makes the OneUi 8.5 modern and the OneUi 8 a bit outdated. There are multiple changes in the system apps also available this time around. For example, if we talk about the calculator app, so the calculator app is changed. There is this animation while pressing the buttons and the numbers, as you guys can see. There is this glow in the buttons as well. That was missing in the OneUi 8 update. If we talk about the clock application, so you can clearly see the difference in the alarm, the world clock, the timer and the stopwatch. This is the new stopwatch of the OneUi 8 update. And if you talk about the timer, so the timer is almost the same, but if you start it, so there's a difference in it. If you talk about the live activities in the pill, so that is also changed a bit. As you guys can see, there's a bit of difference in the pill option as well in the live activities. Furthermore, you will get to see this pill-like menu bar in multiple applications as well. For example, the normal search bar is also changed. You will get to see this pill-like search bar in the settings application as well. Previously, the search bar was present on the top. This pill-like menu is also available in the clock application. If we talk about the photo editor, so there's a major change available in the photo editor. After tapping on Galaxy AI icon, you can access this photo editor. You can clearly see the difference between the photo editor of the OneUi 8.5 and the OneUi 8 update. The new photo editor feels more modern and easy to access everything. If we talk about the call application, so there's this new feature available in the OneUi 8.5 update, that is of call screening. Using this call screening feature, you can use your call assistant to answer your calls. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the new changes and the features of the OneUi 8.5 update. Hopefully you will get to see this new update really soon. By the way, if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.